Tim from Church Stores, and in this video we're going to talk about burning incense at home, specifically not using charcoal. I really suggest this and I promote this for the way you burn incense at home because we're using a candle underneath and we're putting our incense on top. We're not creating a great deal of smoke and we're not going to set smoke alarms off, and we're reducing the amount of heat so we're less likely to burn ourselves. So I really do promote this for the safety value, and also you still get all the effects of burnt incense at home, of the church kind of atmosphere. So to demonstrate, I'm going to use, it's a dirty one that we've been using in our shop, but this residue that you get from the incense is actually quite nice when you burn it. It doesn't look good, but when the candle goes onto it, it's quite lovely, quite fresh. So what we do is we get a tea light candle and we put it in the bottom compartment, and then it's so simple. We put, see already you're getting a bit of smoke from there, and that's got a really lovely church smell. It smells like a church after benediction. And you can just put 2 little grains of frankincense, that's all you need. And voila, simple as that. Now, the benefit is you're not burning charcoal, which is more dangerous, much easier to burn yourself. And you can see there's a bit of smoke coming off. You do have to watch it because you don't want to set your smoke alarms off, but this is more manageable than the way they burn it at church with the piece of charcoal and the incense in the charcoal. This is much more manageable because you don't get too much smoke. 2 warnings I want to make. First of all, you've got a naked flame, so don't burn this around curtains or anything flammable. Keep paper and other flammable items away. Be careful of touching this. Once this starts to warm up, the whole thing will get quite hot, so I don't want anyone to burn themselves. And monitor it. Everyone's supposed to have smoke alarms in the home, so as soon as it's starting to get too smoky, you blow it out so that you don't set alarms off. Thank you very much. In the next video we're going to look at the way they do it at church with real charcoal.